Assalamu alaikum. Today's my topic is how to make online money. Making money online is the sweet spot people look for in a gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a six-figure social media influencer or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some internet gigs, we have found some viable options. Number 1, pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant fluent in a second language. Check sites as such as Gingo or 1 hour translation or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter that kind of freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know if you are charging too much or too little. Learn how to get started on Upwork. Total time, it can take a while to get your first gig. Set up 24 hours. How easy to start? Easy if you have the expertise. Age 13 plus. Payment speed varies by site. Thanks. And second, test website and apps. Another way to make money from home is on site like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well or not so well certain websites and apps worked. You will have to pass a short test to be accepted. They you will be paid $10 for each 20 minutes test, which involves a recording and answering for follow up written questions. Or you could earn up to $120 to participate in a video conversation with the customer after your test. Total time approval time can vary. Setup less than an hour. How to easy to start? Easy if you have the tech gear and complete a sample test. Age 18 plus. Payment speed 7 days. Allah Hafiz.